Hello, dear students. How are you? How was going? Today we have a new topic. As you know, previous lesson we talked about volcano destroy and benefits. What is the benefit and the destroy of the volcanoes? We talked about those benefit and destroy that happens of the because of the what of the volcanoes. If you're ready, all of you bring your book, open page number 130 to solve this question. That question is very important to know which one is true and write down in your notebook. Are you ready, dear students? Because this question that is very nice and important to you, so you should study and write down just now that I will tell you. Okay, be with me. Any question that I will tell you, you should write down the answer. Okay, and if you're ready, and open this page front of you and bring the pencil because you should be with me and write down each one in those questions. Okay, dear students, are you ready? Okay, look at this chapter 1, preview and test preparation. Vocabulary review. We have this vocabulary: crust, mantle, core, plate, earthquake, fault, focus, epicenter, seismograph, volcano, magma, lava, vent, and magma chamber. And for those vocabulary we have 13 questions. Okay, dear students, look at this one. Okay, the first one is what? First one, an underground holding pool for hot magma is called what? An underground holding pool for the magma is called what? Who knows? We study this one. In underground, while we going to under of the inner core of the earth, what we have inside of the earth, we have a pool of what? Magma chamber. We have what? Magma chamber. You should write down the first one is magma chamber. Okay, write down magma chamber. Okay, dear students, magma chamber. Okay, number 1. And then look at the second one. Scientists use a to measure the earthquake waves. The scientists, what they use, what are the instrument they use to the measure of the earthquake waves? Who knows? This one is what? Seismograph. Second one, you should write down this one, seismograph. Write down here, seismograph. Okay, seismograph. Okay, dear students, write down in here is what? Seismograph. And look at the third one. A vibration of the earth's crust is what? A vibration of the earth's crust is an boshai. Who knows? A vibration of the earth's crust is what? Who can tell me? Number 3. A vibration of the earth's crust is an earthquake. Write down the third one is earthquake. Number 4, most of the magma from a volcano comes from the through of the rocky opening is called what? Most of the magma from a volcano comes up through a rocky opening is called what? While the magma come up of the surface of Earth, that opening is called what? Who can tell me? Number 4. Vent. Okay, write down number 4, vent. Number 4, vent. Okay, number 4, vent. Write down here, vent. This one. Number 5 is melted rock that flows out onto Earth's surface. Number 5 is a melted rock that flows out onto Earth's surface. Is what? Number 5. Who can tell me? Number 5. Number 5 is what? Who can tell me? Number 5 is lava. While that magma is come out of the surface of the earth is called what? That magma, the name of the magma changed to what? To lava. Okay, write down in number 5, lava. Lava. Okay, dear students. Now look at the number 6. If you somehow dug down to Earth's center, the first two layers you would pass through are the blank and blank. While you dug down to the Earth's surface center, the first two layers is what? Who can tell me? The first one is crust, as you know. The first layers of the Earth is what? Crust. The second one, after the crust, what we have? We have a mantle. Okay, write down number 1 is crust, and this one is mantle. Crust, mantle. Write down crust here, this one, and mantle. Okay, dear students, crust and mantle, write down here. Number 7. Look at the number 7. Number 7 is what? Number 7, hot melted rock that is underground is called what? We have a melted inside of the earth. What is called? We have a melted liquid inside of the earth and rock is called what? Magma. Okay, write down here this one in number 7, magma. This one, write down here, magma. Inside of the earth we have a melted rock that is underground is called what? Magma. That magma, while the volcanoes happen, is called what? Lava. But inside of the earth that liquid is called magma. Okay, number 7, magma. The deepest layers of earth is what? We have 3 layers, and the deepest one, who can tell me which one is true? The deepest layers of the earth is what? Core. Okay, core. Number 8, core. Write down this one in number 8. Write down here, core. Number 8, core. The point of the Earth's surface that is directly above on the earthquake's focus is the. Who can tell me number 9? Number 9. Who can tell me number 9? Focus. The point of the Earth's surface that is directly above the earthquake focus is the focus. Okay, write down here in number 9 this one, focus. Write down focus. Okay, in here write down focus. Number 10, Earth's crust and upper mantle are broken into several plates. Okay, write down in number 10 plates. Write down this one, plate. Okay, dear students, plate. Number 11, a mountain that forms from the lava is what? A mountain that forms from the lava is what? Number 11. Who can tell me number 11? Volcano. Number 11 is this one, volcano. Okay, dear students, volcano. Did you wrote all of them? Volcano, number 11. Number 12, what we have? The blank of the earthquake is the point underground where the movement of the earthquake phase take place. Who can tell me number 12? Who can tell me number 12 is what? Epicenter. This one, write down in number 12, write down here. Epicenter, okay? The epicenter of the earthquake is the point underground where the movement of the earthquake phase take place. Number 13, a break in the crust along which a rock move is a, which one is true? Number 13 is fault. Okay, write down here is fault. Okay, dear students, write down here fault. Okay, dear students, write down this one in number 13. Okay, dear students, did you wrote all of them? This is very important. And look at this diagram. We have crust, earthquakes, core, mantle, volcanoes, and plates. And we have this one. Okay, be careful. Look what I tell you, you should write down. Okay, Earth has 3 main layers. Okay, the Earth has 3 main layers. As you know, we have 3 main layers. Okay, the first layer is what? Crust. Write down here crust. This one, crust. The second layer is what? Mantle. Write down here mantle. The third one, inner layer, is what? Core. Okay, write down here core. And then, which is made up of number 4? Number 4 is plates. Write down here plates. Here plates that are in the constant motion, which may lead to number 5 is what? Number 5, earthquakes. Okay, write down here earthquakes in number 5, and number 6 is what? Volcanoes, which may lead to earthquake and volcanoes, mountains building. Okay, dear students, this question you should know. This diagram is very important. Okay, and then we have write letters on the best choice. Okay, we have 4 multiple choice. Okay, dear students, and look the first one. The plates of the Earth's crust can not usually move. Which plates of the Earth's crust cannot usually move? Who can tell me which one the plates of the Earth's crust cannot usually move? Which one? The plates of the Earth's crust cannot usually move. Who can tell me? Toward each other, away from each other, very slowly and very quickly. Who can tell me which one? Very quickly, okay? This one, circle in number letter D. Number 1, letter D, okay? This one is true. The second one, the layers of the earth that is the hottest is what? We have 3 layers. Which one is very hot? In the layers of the earth, we have what? Inner core, the hottest layers of the earth layer, okay? Letter B. Second one, letter B. And then we have the fountains of the hot rock punch through the crust of the from a volcanoes when plates move apart, plates move toward each other, a plate moves over of the hot spot in the mantle, plates are moved past each other. Which one is true? Who can tell me? A plate moves over the hot point in the mantle. Letter C, okay, dear students? Letter C. And then number 4, volcanoes can be useful to people because of volcanoes what? Why sometimes the volcanoes is useful of the people? Who can tell me? Add minerals to the soil. As you know, the volcanoes have a benefit and destroy. Okay, dear students, we have what? We have volcanoes have a benefit and harmful, and the letter A is true. Add minerals to the soil. That's very important for the farmer, that help to grow and benefit of the soil while they do agriculture. Okay, dear students, you should solve this question and send me what did you wrote and how did you solve this question is very important. If you have any question, ask me anytime. I am here to answer you. Okay, dear students, have a good day. Bye bye.